Menteri Katanat Kamri Dohkha uba Alexander Hek Ulaong ba kajala Meghalaya hadu menta kampat de kajala kabala ban penmi Dohkha tang hakane hi kajala hari kadang hap ban shanya na kiwe kajala kumka Andhra Pradesh Punjab Karnataka bat kiwe de kajala habakren hagajingalang jongka 7th Aqua Fest araja arpaulai balalong handin ka khatnyo tarik risau araja arpaulai hapalau jong usoso tham auditorium uba hek ulaban pauru ya kajing sngau sarong namar bama uru uwan na Longïing bat uhe usan na Longïing bakhayi ne di Dohkha uba hek ulaong baka Kamri Dohkha kadai kawei nakalat bala ban penyo anong bat ban thaulat ai kam ai jam ya kiwei katba nakaliang ka director ka Kamri Dohkha kalaong bayakani ka Aqua Fest la sedang ningkong menshwa hausnam arajar san hapo kajingalam u commissioner secretary u KN Kumar ubadai u IAS balasyong that ka sorkar jala Ulaong bahadu menta kajing penmi Dohkha hakajala kalong hadu khat khandai hajar metric ton bat kathong baka sorkar kabu kalong laipo hajar metric ton katkum kajing ken ka National Nutritional Institute.
I'm very proud of this moment. You know why? I also came from the fish family. I grew up in the fish family. My mom selling fish she was a street vendor when she was alive. And how we grew up through the selling of fish. You not believe till today. I have been MLA for last continuously. I am going to be complete 30 years, winning for 6 consecutive terms. But my elder sister, my own elder sister, still she was selling fish at a street vendor. She was a street vendor, but now after I've constructed a beautiful mall and hawkers market where we have accommodated all the street vendors in the hawkers market. Still now she is selling fish in the hawker markets. She is having 7 siblings, but well, all of them are giving her best educations. Even if some of the siblings also been educated from abroad by selling fish only. So we should think this is a big source of income. If we really have a self-awareness, create our own awareness, how to create the source of income through the fish farming. The fish seller, the fish farmer, they can do so many things. We have a lot of the area expansions. We have a lot of lands to grow for the farming. We should only take the opportunity and also the help from the government. As a green revolution, we have 2 role models here. Balok Lasting Latong from Jaita Hills and Singrang Sangma from the North Garo Hills. They are the role model by creating their own source of income, thereby making the fish farming. And also not only that, this is not only for the source of income, they are also creating job for the other. Now we are not self-sufficient state, still we have to depend the fish coming from outside. Coming from Andhra Pradesh, from somebody saying from Punjab, from somebody saying from Karnataka. It took days together to get the fish here. That also is not a fresh fish. The local fish, why it is little, we cannot regulate the market. Regulating the market is because, of course, we don't have the organized market of the fish market in Meghalaya, but we are going to start to regulate the market where the market and the price will be equal with the fish coming from outside. At least our own farmers also, they can stand, and they will be proud and stand in their own feet.
Ni kadai kali Aqua Fest kamor kadai kalar kalenti ban play phi ba pindi ki Dohkha ki jompi ba ha ka jo kapor ro ba pen nang ni labo lang hang ni bon kini modern technology la ni ki start science thomai kumno bangin penmi Dohkha ka ha ka scientific manner and scientific way te baling ba ka jing don jompi hang ni ba pin slor lang ikiwe ya ka sinong ka thaw jompi te kim dia ka mamkran manina ktian nong we ka long ba ya kani ka Aqua Fest kila asdang manshwa hay tu ibaret ba hawar hajar san kamod mentang indang la ban penpoi ado khandai hajar tam ya ka metric ton ya ka jengmi Dohkha kari ka jong ka target ke jemi kalong kadai laipo hajar metric ton ka kum ka projected population ka kum ru ka ta jeng kain jong kani ka National Nutrition Institute kadai laipo hajar metric ton te habang ayai dian